Today we will try to understand what Kanban is all about. Kanban is a Japanese word that simply means signboard or visual signal. It is a workflow management system that originated from the manufacturing industry and more specifically from the Toyota Production System (TPS). Toyota in Japan was continuously improving the workflows and always experimenting with new ideas, systems and methodologies. Just-in-time JIT was one of those that emphasized to manage the inventory levels in a smart way with the pull system approach, instead of a push system approach. This was really helpful in many ways, and only when the customers ordered the products, the respective requisitions were made to the suppliers to provide the material, instead of keeping the idle or dead stock at the company's premises. Toyota also started using the Kanban method by developing visible signboards and showing the workflows in a transparent and visible manner about what is ordered, the tasks list, and what is pending work in progress and what is completed or done. This simple concept and workflow method proved to be very useful in managing the bigger tasks as well as smaller daily tasks with the help of the Kanban. Currently the Kanban is more popular in IT sector than in any other industry. However, the basic principles of the Kanban remain the same, and it can still be applied, as you may have derived the basic idea that Kanban is just an extended form of your basic daily calendar planner items. According to the Kanban, you need to have a white of the 3 columns. First, to-do items. Second, work in progress items pending. Third, completed items done. The core concept remains the same, however, it has been further improved upon. There is no fun in complicating the complexities. The beauty of the Kanban is in its simplicity. Kanban is perhaps one of the simplest tools to manage the workflow visually. You can use Kanban in every area of your life, not only limited to work. It will certainly help you achieve more with less. Hope this lecture has provided the overview about Kanban. Have a good day and thanks for listening and watching.